What's up, guys? So today we're going to reset the maintenance required light that you see here in the bottom right on the 2006 Scion TC. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn the car off. Now we're going to hold the button here next to the speedometer. This is the odometer reset button. So we're going to hold that button down. Now we're going to turn the key to the on position. And now we see the 5 dashing lights. Okay, so just hold that until those 5 dashes on the odometer go away. And now you can see in the maintenance required light is now gone. And that's it. That's all you have to do to reset the maintenance required light on the 2006 Scion TC. This should work for the 2005 to 2010 models. And of course, do make sure this light does come on when you need an oil change. So do make sure you have actually done the oil change. So if this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Okay, so now once those 5 dashes have gone away, you can see now in the bottom right that oh my god, the neighbor's here.